Now there are two ways of doing it. 1 second. Two ways of doing it. One is the chaotic way, in which nobody gets anything. Because look, the film is 2-3 days still away, 18th. So we are very fortunate. We've got our two superstars, our other colleagues and friends here. We will request them, one after the other, to say a few words. And after that, if you have a few questions, they will take the questions also. But please confine yourself to the message of the film and to its greatness.
We are very grateful that Sir has organized and hosted this whole thing, the whole premiere, whatever you may call it. And I just hope that people have loved it, or all the friends who have come here, and they must have seen the movie. Baki, I would say, rather than me saying anything about the movie, it's better you ask me what you want to.
Prime Minister has also acknowledged the efforts of Mr. Nair in this movie. He spoke at length about this film. What do you say on that?
Well, it was. I would say that I'm very, very grateful and happy that he has seen this and acknowledged it. Not seen the movie, but he has seen. He knows about it, and he knew it from the beginning of it. And that's very kind of him to say it. And it so happened that it has come when the movie is getting released. So I hope people.
Did you know Mr. Shankar Nair before reading the script?
No, I didn't know about it. I had no idea about it. I just only know what happened in Jallianwala Bagh. And till there only, I only know what the history book taught me. But history book never taught us about what happened after that.
Sir, I think you raised that your grandfather, he also told a lot of incidents about it.
Yeah, he has told me exactly about Jallianwala Bagh, but he also never knew about what happened exactly. I just know about what happened in Jallianwala Bagh. Well, I just hope and I pray that he and the British government watch the movie and they realize what has gone wrong and they acknowledge it, and that's all. With folded hands, I say this.
You went to Amritsar also. Was it reliving those whole experience of Jallianwala?
Sorry, ma'am?
You went to Jallianwala Bagh, you went to Amritsar. Was it reliving those that you had studied in the books? Was it
Yes.
reliving all those?
Yes, it was lots of things because my father was born there. So it was, and lots of things I know the kind of shooting we did and everything. It was very hard.
Now a lot of facts have been suppressed as far as.
Sorry?
A lot of facts were suppressed as far as.
I don't want to. I'm not a historian. I'm just going according to what I need.
I've had the good fortune of being part of some very historical films, a lot of them depicting good stories about our country. I think this will be the proudest film of mine.
What message you would like to give to the youth?
I just think they should see the film. The message is very, very loud and clear. We are a very proud country with very proud people. The days of taking an Indian for granted and thinking of us as weak is gone. I think the world should see the film and realize what we are capable of doing.
We really love to hate you in this movie. But
Love to hate you.
That's a compliment.
That's a compliment to his acting.
I agree. That's a compliment to Mr.
Thank you,
Martin's
ma'am.
acting.
Thank you.
You're very kind. Thank you.
Would you urge the government to make it a tax free so that more people can be able
Make
to
it
watch
what?
Make the tax free.
Acha, no, we are coming to that. Okay. There are a number of asks here. Do you want to ask the government to make it tax-free, to make it lower the censor board? I think the quality of the message, the talent and brilliance of the movie should propel in that direction.
I would say also that, for the first time, let the media watch the film and let them request it.
Now, do you also think the Britishers should say sorry because that's the tagline?
Oh, you know, but I'm sorry, the granddaughter has actually, I'm not treading into Jaishankarji's territory, the granddaughter has actually said they were looters. So the mindset in some respects remains exactly what it was then. And I think this movie, which I think is a very beautiful, powerful movie on a genocide, will help correct that mindset. So thank you all very much. And I think you all have a very important role to play, and I mean it seriously. There are brilliant one-liners also, but it's not those one-liners. It's the power of the beauty of the acting, beauty of the production, and the power of the message. That you must take to the people. And then if you want to say about those other things like tax-free, etc.,
One liner is also there.
No, one line. You do, but he will not give individual.
He made all of us cry. This movie had made all of us cry. That is the one liner if you want to describe this movie. यूथ से पहले मैं कांग्रेस को मैसेज देना चाहता हूं. कांग्रेस के सभी नेताओं को आके मूवी देखनी चाहिए. उनको समझ में आएगा कि उन्होंने कितना बड़ा पाप और गुनाह किया है. सी शंकरन नायर के इतिहास को मिटाकर, उनकी यादों को दबाकर, जो जलियांवाला बाग में ब्रिटिशर्स ने किया वही काम कांग्रेस ने उससे कम नहीं किया. और मैं मानता हूं कि कांग्रेस ने एक ही सीख ली सबसे. क्या 1984 का कत्लेआम वैसे ही किया. उसी तरह से बेगुनाह लोगों को मारा गया, उसी तरह से उस सारे इतिहास को दबाया गया, उसी तरह से कमीशन बिठाई गई, उसी तरह से सारे एविडेंस को खत्म किया गया और उसी तरह से कत्लेआम करने वाले लोगों को इनाम देके प्रोत्साहन दिया गया, अवार्ड किया गया उनको. तो मुझे लगता है कांग्रेस को ये आके मूवी देखनी चाहिए. उनको अपने पाप आईने में दिखेंगे. वो माफ हो सकते नहीं हो सकते मुझे नहीं पता, लेकिन उनके पापों को अगर सही आईने में देखना हो तो कांग्रेस के नेताओं को आके मूवी देख लेनी चाहिए. उनको पता चल जाएगा उनके जितने बज्जर गुनाह और पाप उन्होंने अब तक किए 60 साल में इस देश के ऊपर, वो सारे के सारे आपको आईने में दिख जाएंगे अगर आप मूवी देखेंगे तो.
सर, थरूर ने इसको लेकर ट्वीट भी किया था मूवी को लेकर.
अब मुझे नहीं पता थरूर साहब ने क्या ट्वीट किया. मैं थरूर साहब से भी आग्रह करूंगा एक बार मूवी आके देखिए, आप कांग्रेस छोड़ने को मजबूर हो जाएंगे.
गर्मियों की छुट्टी होने वाली थी, मेरे पापा आने वाले थे, तो हम लोग सभी खुश थे. तो मैं बेड पे चढ़ के डांस कर रहा था, लेकिन वो पहले ही आ गए.
फ्रीज.
तो मैं उस समय तो कंटिन्यू नहीं कर सकता था, तो फ्रीज फ्रेम टाइप का हो गया.
कसम पैदा कर